Eid-ul-Adha, a sacrifice of love.
Eid-ul-Adha is a time to commemorate the sacrifice made by Prophet Ibrahim. It teaches us about obedience and the willingness to give up something dear for the sake of Allah.
But what does sacrificing an animal have to do with it?
The act of sacrificing an animal symbolizes our commitment to share and care for those in need. The meat is then distributed among the less fortunate, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the celebration.
Amir, accompanied by his parents, visits the bustling Eid market. The air is filled with the aroma of traditional food and the sounds of animals. Choosing the right animal is important. It should be healthy, well cared for, and meet the requirements for sacrifice. Remember, the animal should be treated with love and kindness throughout. It's essential to ensure a quick and humane sacrifice. Amir's family, along with others from the community, gather at the mosque to offer Eid prayer.
We are not just sacrificing an animal, we are sharing our blessings with others.
They joyfully work together, dividing the meat into portions and carefully packaging it.
Eid Mubarak. May this food bring you happiness and nourishment.
Today, we have experienced the true essence of Eid-ul-Adha. It's not just about the sacrifice itself but also about the love and compassion we show to others.
Indeed, our sacrifice signifies the willingness to give and care for those who are less fortunate. It reminds us of the importance of empathy and selflessness.